Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Learn how to make this gingerbread house that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. The gingerbread recipe I used and template are both at the end of the video. Start off by rolling out the chilled gingerbread to about 4 mm in thickness. Cut out using the template at the end of the video as a guideline. If you have any leftover space on the rolled out gingerbread, you could cut out gingerbread men, stars, and even Christmas trees. One of the many things I like about this recipe is that there's no need to rest in the refrigerator before baking. Simply pop in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges begin to brown. Once the gingerbread is ready, leave to cool on the tray for about 5 minutes before transferring onto a wire rack to cool down completely. These are the ingredients for the royal icing. Remember, the recipe for the royal icing is in the description. Whisk the egg whites until light and fluffy and then gradually add in the sifted icing sugar. The royal icing is ready when peaks form. For a 3-dimensional Christmas tree, pipe a line of royal icing down the center of a gingerbread Christmas tree cookie. Then place half a gingerbread tree cut out in the middle. With a star nozzle, pipe out the leaves by applying pressure at the base and releasing pressure as you pull away. Decorate the Christmas tree with silver balls and piped out red royal icing. Then leave to dry until hard. For the windows, pipe out a few dots of royal icing on the sides. Then place on a gelatine leaf that has been cut to size. You can then pipe out a border around the window as well as the window grills using a plain 2 mm size nozzle. Pipe out a scallop design for the roof tiles. And a brick design on the chimney. To put this fairy tale gingerbread house together, pipe royal icing on the sides of each piece. You can hold each piece up with help from a can or a tumbler. Once you are done sticking the sides together, leave to dry for a few minutes before sticking on the roof. Once the roof has been left to dry for a few minutes, you can pipe out icicles using the plain nozzle, as well as ruffle-like design on the sides of the house. Dust with desiccated coconut to give it that freshly snowed look. Finish off the beautiful house by arranging gingerbread men, battery-operated tea lights, as well as the 3D Christmas tree. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have fun creating the beautiful gingerbread house with your family. These are the ingredients I used to make the gingerbread for the gingerbread house. Remember, the recipes in the description. Into a medium-sized saucepan, add in butter, water, soft brown sugar, and golden syrup. Bring this mix to the boil. This mix is ready when the butter and sugar are completely melted. Remove from the heat and leave to cool before using. Add all of the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl, then a quick whisk to distribute all of the ingredients. Once the butter-sugar mixture has cooled down, Add it to the dry ingredients followed by 1 egg. And mix together until you have a smooth paste-like dough and no longer have any lumps of dry ingredients. Turn out the gingerbread onto some cling film, wrap, flatten, and place in the refrigerator until needed. This is the template for the gingerbread house in centimeters.